Welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to install Windows 11 as a virtual machine. Step 1. Download VMware Workstation Player Virtual Machine. Go to Google, search for VMware Virtual Machine and download the virtual machine. Second step. Install VMware Workstation Player Virtual Machine. Go to Downloads folder. You will get a zip file. Extract and double click and install the VMware Workstation Player Virtual Machine. So it will ask you some questions, answer them and install the virtual machine. Step 3. Download Windows 11 ISO file. Go to UUP dump website. Select Windows 11. You can select from the list. I am selecting x64 Windows 11. You can search for Windows 11 and you will get the list of Windows 11 updates as well as the ISO files. So download them. And when you download the Windows 11 scripts, you can see it will ask you to download the script which will create ISO file. So I will go to next, select the language as US English and download Windows Home and click next and download the script for creating ISO file of Windows 11. So you can see you downloaded a zip file, extract it and create a folder. So here is a folder. So go, if you have Windows, double click and start Windows command script. If you have Mac, double click and start Mac command terminal. Now so it will start. I am starting Windows, so Windows command, from the command it will start downloading the ISO file. It will take some time to download the ISO file. You can see on the screen it is downloading. So it will be around 4 GB file. So once the download is over, all the files are downloaded, you can see it is done. Press 0 and exit the command line. Now locate this ISO file. You can see this ISO file is in the download folder under the UEP dump. So you go to the folder, zip file and open it and you can see the ISO file. The big file with 4 GB is, please note the location of the file. Now you can use this ISO file for creating the virtual machine. Next step, go to open the VMware workstation, create a blank virtual machine. So go to the VMware virtual machine, create a new virtual machine, click and select a other operating system. Select Microsoft Windows. And then give a name for the virtual machine and please specify a location. It should be around 60 GB of data. You should have 60 GB of free data on your hard disk or SSD. So I will change the location. I created a new folder, and in this folder I'll be going to store the virtual machine. Now the space is used 60 GB. Once you go to the next button, select custom, increase your memory to 4 GB, and go to CD DVD drives and select open ISO image. Now here browse to the location where you have your Windows 11 ISO folder and select the ISO file and click next. We can see Windows started installing. Select the language. Click install now. It's a new installation. Go for a new installation. If you have a product key, you can enter. Otherwise, select later as the terms and new installation. Select the partition for 60 GBs. Click next. Now it is started installing the files. Let this process be complete. So it will take some time. I'll switch off the video, and after I finish I'll come back. So it will ask you for the version, your country, regions, and your basic data. You can see it is updating. I'll show you the step-by-step process. So you have to answer the questions asked. So sign in to Hotmail, Outlook or Microsoft Mail, maybe Hotmail, Outlook or Microsoft Mail. So specify your email address and give the password, so you can sync your machine across your login. So you can create a login pin. So it can be a number or a combination of words. So enter a pin, or you can include letters and symbols also. So you can confirm the pin, or you can go to letter and symbols and use them as your password and click next. So you can specify this information as you like. Again, different informations. If you want, you can specify them. This will give you more, this will add more time for installation because it has to download the file, extra files. I am removing all of them. So you can specify your PC, what is the basic functionality, gaming or family. You can store your files in OneDrive on the cloud or on the local machine. I select local machine. So Office update, you want Office, you can get a free Office for some time as a free trial. So you can see it is almost complete, getting completed. Yeah, so you can see Windows 11 is updated. Thank you very much.